Okay, high level paper 2, question 7. What we're going to do is we're going to insert a graph page, and let's have a look and see what happens. So we've got -3, add on fraction template 1 over x subtract 2. Okay, so it's looking quite exciting. So we've got a couple of asymptotes there. We suspect one at x is y is -3, such as there. We also suspect one when x is equal to x is 2, so I can just, lots of ways getting there. I'm just going to create a text box, type x equals 2, and then drag that text box onto the x-axis, and it draws a graph straight away. So that's useful, and we'll use a feature like that again in a minute. And we need to find out where this function cuts the x-axis. So it'll be menu, analyze graph, 0, and I'll pick my graph there because I've got several on the screen, lower bound, upper bound, and it looks as though it's 2.3, possibly 2 1/3. We might be able to accurately change that, but we can leave it as 2.33 to 3 significant figures. Okay, for part B, we're going to try and do the inverse function. So because my function is already in F1, what I can do is create a text box, and I do x equals F1 of y. And if I now then drag that, the graph which you now see turning up, this one here, that is the inverse function. And so I can do some algebraic manipulation and come up with what I think my expression might be. And so what I'm now going to type in is I'm going to type in what I think the answer is. It's 2 plus 1 over x plus 3. And if I'm correct, the graph of this should sit exactly on top of that pale blue one that just appeared. And yes, there it is. It's in black. So a nice way of checking any algebraic manipulations you may have done. And we can see here that the value when x is equal to -3 is undefined because that's a vertical asymptote for this inverse function. We're done.